Vector databases. The missing link between unstructured data and intelligent search large language models are powerful, but without relevant context they often produce inaccurate results. The real breakthrough comes when we combine LLMs with vector databases, which are specialized systems designed to store, index, and search vector embeddings. These embeddings capture the semantic meaning of unstructured content such as documents, images, and audio, allowing AI to retrieve information based on meaning rather than keywords. Traditional databases are designed for structured data and exact matches. Vector databases enable similarity-based search, helping AI systems understand context and return results that are relevant even when wording differs. How vector databases work. Unstructured data is converted into vector embeddings using models like OpenAI, Hugging Face, or instructor models. These vectors are stored in specialized databases and indexed using advanced algorithms such as Hierarchical Navigable Small World, HNSW, builds multi-layer graphs for highly efficient navigation product quantization, compresses embeddings for faster retrieval while conserving memory, Inverted File Index, IVF, clusters similar vectors to accelerate searches. When a query arrives, the database locates the closest embeddings using similarity metrics like cosine similarity, Euclidean distance, or dot product, and returns the most relevant results. Key use cases: Retrieval Augmented Generation to improve LLM accuracy and reduce hallucinations. Semantic search to retrieve documents or products based on meaning instead of keywords. Recommendations for products, videos, or personalized content. Multimodal search for finding similar images, videos, or audio files. Fraud detection by identifying patterns that match suspicious behaviors. Popular tools and platforms. Cloud-hosted solutions. Pinecone, Weaviate, Qdrant, Milvus, Redis Vector, embedded and lightweight libraries. Faius, Scan, Anoi frameworks for orchestration, LangChain, Llama Index. Enterprise extensions, PostgreSQL pgvector, Elasticsearch, MongoDB. Why it matters. Vector databases allow AI systems to reason with knowledge they were never trained on. They enable conversational agents to provide contextually accurate responses, enhance recommendation engines, and power intelligent multimodal search capabilities. LLMs provide reasoning, vector databases connect knowledge. Together they unlock the next generation of enterprise AI systems. Like, share, and subscribe for more such informational video.